Hey, I'm Daniel, and I'm gonna show you guys my firework stash. First, some disco flash, smoke grenade, some cracking bars. Here, let me kick one up for you guys. Cracking bar, right? That's pretty loud. The cracking bar, I think. And some ground balloons, and I'm gonna get more. So please like it, and I'll light some fireworks up. Okay, so right now I spent about, I think it was $8. Wait. So the disco flash for $1. Smoke grenade 1 minute each, so there was two. So that was $2. So with the disco flash, that was 3. The crackling bars were $2. I'm about to, I think I'll make all these crackling bars in just one, just with I think visco fuse, and just put all of them in like a paper towel. Then $1. Pretty cool. Let me take the ground blue bomb. Okay, ground blue flower. I don't know if you could. Yeah, right here. Ground blue flower. Let me take this the smoke grenade out. It's one minute each. So I spent $2 for 2. So let me take this out. It's by Legend Fireworks. Pretty good brand. I live in California, so there you go. Look at the size of that fuse. That's a big fuse. That's super big compared to other fuses. They're super small. That's big. And then let me check out a disco flash. And this is a disco flash. Hold up. Okay. So there you go. Pretty cool. Cool to play with. And then that. Hold up. Put this the right way. Okay. You know, pretty sick. Pretty cool. You know. About $2. Let me compare this. Alright. Look how thin the fuse of this is. See how thin it is? And look at this one. This is pretty big. Big. And watch. Look at that. The cracking bar is thin and the other one is thick. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So just like, subscribe, and I'll just light the fireworks off, and I'm probably gonna get some artillery shells, some Saturn mixed battery canister shells, Roman candles, and some MAE. So just keep liking my videos, and I'll promise you guys that I'll upload all the fireworks that I did. So thank you. Bye.